Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Montgomery. I am here this week to share with you the Texas Bluebonnet Award nominee books. There are 20 of them for the 2020-2021 school year. What is the Texas Bluebonnet Award? It's an award given to a U.S. living citizen with a book published in the U.S. The book nominees must have good book reviews. They need to be appropriate and suitable up to 6th grade readers with literary merit. They will have a copyright of either 2018, 2019, or 2020. There will be 20 books selected by the Texas Bluebonnet Award Committee each year to become hopefully a nominee for the Texas Bluebonnet Award. Students vote and choose the winner. Who gets to vote? Students who read at least 5 books by January and become a part of the Wall of Fame. Students who record their reflections on their tracking sheet, and students who turn in their tracking sheet on time. What is the Wall of Fame? Once you read at least 5 Bluebonnet nominees and reflect on each book, your picture will be taken and placed on the Wall of Fame. Your name will also be added to a drawing to win a free basket of prizes. Anyone who reads and reflects on all 20 nominee books will be placed at the top of the Wall of Fame and go into a drawing to earn a special prize. Bluebonnet Voting and Celebration. In January, Mrs. Montgomery will invite all students who have read at least 5 books to the library. Students will vote on their favorite book. They'll enjoy a sweet treat, and the best part is you'll be able to share this grand accomplishment with your friends. Extra incentive! The class with the highest percentage of participation will win a special treat for their class. So what information should you know before getting started? Bluebonnet chapter books will have a 2-week checkout maximum. If you're checking out a picture book, an informational book, or a graphic novel, you will have a 2-day checkout. There will not be any holds on Bluebonnets, so hopefully lots of people will be able to read those books and vote on them. Only 1 Bluebonnet checkout at a time. And you want to notify Mrs. Montgomery or Mrs. Matheson that you are turning in one of the Bluebonnet nominees. You will have until January to read at least 5, and then you get to decide. So these are pictures of all 20 books. This link would take us to all of the trailers for the books. They give you just a little snippet of what the book's about. I will share this link with your teachers, so I'll share a couple and they'll share a couple. So, are you ready for the Texas Bluebonnet Challenge for 2020-2021? Remember, read 5, then decide. Have fun, good luck, and get ready to read.